Hello, we have a white box to open, and inside of it contains a marvelous modern invention, the folding knife. Good call taking the label off so you do not dox yourself. Oh my, that's a big one. Careful with that. That looks sharp. Oh, you got something on the tip there. Gonna have to get that off, and we're going into the box now. Let's see what's inside. First, it seems we have a bag containing some sort of patches. Next, we have another bag, perhaps to contain the knife. Here we have some stickers, some more stickers, and a card with some information about the knife. Sounds like the laundry's done. Better throw that in the dryer. Here we have another box, black. Let's see if we can figure out how to get into this. It appears it was being held closed by some magnets. And there it is, the Berg blades tick. Plain titanium handle. That's a nice looking back spacer there. Here we have a back flipper tab. Let's give it a flick. Very nice. It opened right up. Fits great in the hand. Nice sized hollow ground blade. 3.5 inches cutting edge. Also has a nice fuller in it. You know, drink water is a sucker for fullers. Nice clicky closing sound. Reverse flicks wonderfully. Very nice looking knife indeed. Inside the handle we have some milling. It's also serial numbered, number 20 out of 40. Nice and lightweight. This is a very fine knife. Flick it open, close it. Back flipper, flick it open, close it. Flip it open again. Let's look at it. Cool fuller. Yes, this is a wonderful knife to have in the collection. Oh, let's close it again. Flick it open again. Close it again. Flick it open again. Look at it. Very cool. Thanks for watching.